Okay, now just take this as a circuit. So draw three resistors, okay, R1, R2, R3, okay, and all three are connected in series. Series का मतलब है, okay, the ends of B is connected to the other resistor, the end of C is connected to the other resistors. मतलब all are in एक के बाद एक connected है, okay. Now the resistor 1 is connected to the positive end of the battery, the negative end is connected to the last resistor, and in between the battery and the resistor there is a key or a switch, जो भी है. Okay, so by convention the current is flowing from positive to negative, so mark the arrow. ठीक है, किया क्या? Now remember, potential difference मतलब the total potential difference when any three resistor is connected, the potential difference is divided into three parts. क्यों? तीन resistors है ना, तो potential difference है ना divide हो जाता है. Okay, so let potential difference, तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ. Okay, so there is R1, R2 and R3. Okay, so these are three resistors. Okay, so the potential difference across R1, let it be V1. Okay, तो ये याद रखना, when resistors, यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ, when resistors are connected in series, okay, the voltage, the potential difference PD, okay, gets divided. Okay, so V1 is, let V1 be across R1, ठीक है, V2 be across R2 and V3 be across R3. Okay, so अब वापस रिपीट कर रही हूँ, when resistors are connected in series PD gets divided, therefore I can say the total voltage is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. ये हमेशा ट्रू है. This is true for when resistors are connected in series. Okay, now what is Ohm's law? Can I write the Ohm's law? Okay,
V
so
is
Ohm's,
equal to IR.
V is equal to IR. Now if you notice, when anything is connected in series, the current is same. Okay, potential difference gets divided, but current is same. मतलब R1 में भी I ही जाएगा, R2 में भी I ही जाएगा, and R3 में भी I ही जाएगा. Okay, so I can replace, so overall potential difference can be replaced by, तो मैं एक काम करती हूँ, the total equivalent resistance को मैं I R equivalent लेती हूँ, या IR भी ले सकते हो, doesn't matter, just want to differentiate. Okay, what will be the potential difference across R1? Now if I keep my current same, it will be what? I R1 plus, what will be the potential difference across V2? It will be I R2
IR2.
plus I R3. Okay, now if you notice, I is common, okay, on both the side. तो I यहाँ पे निकाल दो, and it will be I R equivalent is equal to I R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, R cancel, the answer will be R equivalent or total resistance will be R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, now we got the expression. So this is the expression for when the resistors are connected in series. तो ये क्वेश्चन आता है for 2 marks to derive it. Okay, so we need to write it this way. आपको मैं दिखाती हूँ which question it comes. Now notice in this case R1, R2, R3. Okay, so when the resistance is connected in series, जब कोई भी चीज ना सीरीज में कनेक्टेड होता है, तो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस है ना बढ़ जाता है, इट इज हायर. Like for example, if R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 3 ohm, and R3 is 4 ohm. तो total resistance कितना होगा? What will be R equivalent? It will be 1 plus
8 ohm.
8 ohms. माने तुमको समझा क्या? So whenever whenever resistors or you can say appliances, if you remember मैं कब से बोल रही थी, resistors का मतलब है like bulb, load, okay, or any appliances like heater, anything. So when resistors are connected in series, total equivalent resistance increases and current is decreasing. I hope you are understanding. Resistance बढ़ता है इसका मतलब क्या है? Current flow नहीं होगा. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. Okay, so in series, प्लीज ये कॉपी करो जो भी लिख रहे हैं. In series, the total resistance increases, hence the current in the circuit decreases. Okay, समझ में आया क्या? रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो टोटल करंट क्या होगा? So how to calculate the total current? पहले R निकालो, R equivalent निकालो, and then write I is equal to V upon R. तो आपको टोटल करंट मिल जाएगा इन द करंट और इन द सर्किट विच इज डिक्रीजिंग. ओके, सबने कॉपी किया?
Yes, ma'am.
आई होप एवरीवन कॉपीड.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, पार्थ समझा आपको? श्रेयस, still one person is missing. I don't know who has not come today. Pranav. Okay. Thus, in the series combination, the equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of the individual resistance. Okay. So, okay, so if there are n equal resistance, each of value R connected in series, the equivalent resistance is NR. Like for example, if I give you the all resistors are of 1 ohm or 2 ohms, okay, and there are 10 such resistors. तो कितना होगा total resistance? मतलब एक 2 ohms का है and you have 10 such resistors. तो total resistance कितना होगा? 10 into 2, that is 20 ohm. समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if we connect 3 resistors in series, the total resistance will be very high. Please इतना याद रखो, resistance in series is going to increase the resistance. बहुत important है. Okay. Now let's take combination of resistors in parallel. Okay. Now I'll again. If you see this circuit, notice this. Now remember, when in parallel combination, I'm reading, okay. In the parallel combination, one end of the resistor is connected, to one point A, and the other end of the resistor is connected at the other point B. Okay. The battery along with a key K, is connected between the point A and B. Now understand one thing, potential difference in parallel combination is same or is equal. Okay, so if I say कि 10 वोल्ट का बैटरी है, so 10 volt is available to R1, R2, R3. समझ में आया? If I have 3 resistors or you can say 3 parallel appliances like TV is connected, a bulb is connected, and a fan is connected. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? There are 3 appliances which are connected in parallel to a battery which is of 10 volt. I'm just giving one example, okay? So all three appliances are going to get 10 volt potential different. मतलब सबको equal मिलेगा. So basically, this is the best combination in our household circuit. I think you are able to understand the connection which you have in your household is connected in parallel only. Okay, बिकॉज सबको 10-10 वोल्ट मिल रहा है. ओके, हो सकता है बल्ब को नहीं चाहिए 10 वोल्ट, इट रिक्वायर्स ओनली 1, दैट्स ओके, बट इट इज अवेलेबल. तो सोचो मैंने बल्ब की जगह पे मैंने वहां पे एसी लगा दिया. ओके, तो एसी को 10 वोल्ट चाहिए रहेगा. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? So this is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
this is the best combination you have in household circuit. So remember, potential difference in parallel combination is equal. So let it be V, because it is same. It is same for all resistors. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं यार? प्लीज थोड़ा तो कुछ बोलो, नॉट खाली चिन्मय ही बोलता है या अथर्व. प्लीज गर्ल्स स्पीक. Okay. So, but remember, when you are having a parallel combination, the current is divided. Okay. So, now in the first resistance, if you notice, let the current be I1. In the second resistance, let the current be I2. In the third resistance, let the current be I3. So remember, when you are connecting resistors in parallel combination, potential difference is equal, but current is getting divided. I'll be asking today questions, हाँ, क्योंकि कोई सो रहा है ना तो मैं आज पूछने वाली हूँ. Okay, so in this, how will we take? Because current is let the total current be BI. मैं आज क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली हूँ. बी रेडी, आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट. कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा है, आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग इट गुड. सो आई इज इक्वल टू I1 प्लस I2 प्लस I3. ओके, यहाँ पे करंट डिवाइड होता है. नाउ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज सेम. कैन एनीवन टेल मी द फॉर्मूला ऑफ आई? हर्षिल, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ आई? हर्षिल,